Just want to recap this trade I took today on Euro USD, and the screenshots and everything of the trade will be on the screen right now. But what I wanted to do was show you what I was thinking and basically the whole trade setup and why this was a very high probability trade in my trading plan. So let's look at this. If you watched the forecast already, you'll know that I am bullish and my target is actually here, but my overall target is pretty much there. So that was that. Then on the hour, there wasn't really much apart from this hourly demand zone with inducement there. As you can see, we did tap into it and then push up. There were some fair value gaps here that I marked out, but as I said, I didn't really think we were going to go all the way down there, which we didn't. But we had a really nice supply zone right here. Sorry, demand zone. I just labeled that a 15-minute supply and demand zone, and it's got a lot of inducement. So inducement is basically when there's liquidity or like a swing low, swing high right above a point of interest. So as you can see right here, there is a swing low. So what price likes to do, which is literally done today, has gone down, swept the liquidity there, and then tapped into this, and then is pushed up to the upside. So this is a really nice trade, and it really just shows sometimes how well the market moves and how precise it really is. So dropping down to the lower time frames, what I was seeing is, and by the way, just make sure to like this video because I want this knowledge to get to a lot of traders learning to trade, and I think it'll be really useful for them, just like it's useful for you. So in terms of the hour, what was I seeing? We came down at like around 2 or something, and we had a swing high right there. Remember, what is a swing high? A swing high is this triangle sort of formation where we have a lower high to the left and a lower high to the right. Okay, we need this arching sort of shape. So we did get that right there. So there's a swing high, and we had a break of market structure right there. Plus, we had weakness right there and right there, giving me some more confidence that, this demand zone is a strong demand zone and we are reacting from it. So after that, what was I seeing? We had a break of market structure and a very strong break as well, okay? This is showing me momentum. Now, I took the trade on the 4-minute time frame. And what happened is, as you can see, this candle is literally like a marubozu. It's basically just a fancy word for saying a wickless candle. And all it shows is that there's a lot of momentum when this candle was formed because it went up and it closed literally at the same price. So it never pulled back, right? All these wicks are showing pullbacks. This never pulled back, so a really good sign as well. So all of that was good. And as you can see, we had an inverse fair value gap too, which basically means that fair value gaps coming down were disrespected. So really zoom into your charts and look at this. So as you can see, there's a fair value gap right there, and that was disrespected. So inverse fair value gap. Plus, we also have this order block. What do we need for an order block? We need a sweep of liquidity, and then we need that move up. So here's a sweep of liquidity right there, and then we get that move up. So the order block line is basically this. This would be the order block line, as you can see, came rejecting perfectly from it. So we had an order block, inverse fair value gap. Also, the main reason why I entered is the fair value gap, the main displacement as we broke structure right there. So there's the entry fair value gap. I entered right there. I actually did not get tagged in. So the lows of both of these candles are the same. So I should have got tagged in, but I didn't get tagged in, and I was so annoyed. I was literally saying it's gonna go up now. Even on the Discord, I messaged everyone. I was like, watch how EU just goes up now. And I'm actually happy that it came back. I eventually did get tagged in, as you would have seen from the trade. And then we just, waited, and it eventually just shot up, and 2% was hit, 2R, 1 to 2, and a 1 to 3 risk to reward was hit. So those are pretty much the two I'd recommend, 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Anything above that is very, very, how would I say, is very over ambitious, and you're going to be holding trades longer, and it's not that good on psychology. Maybe if you're on the 1 minute, you could get away with a 1 to 5, but I would say really strongly suggest stick to a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. Nothing lower, nothing higher. And pretty much that was the trade, and I hope you got a lot of value from this. Make sure to check out the free Discord down below, so I post everything there as well. Also, you get to interact with a lot of traders, like-minded traders. Everyone's like really nice there, so make sure to join that community. Also, my mentorship to get you funded and very, very profitable is down in the description below, so click that first link and check it out. It's probably the most intense package that I've seen on YouTube that any trader is offering, and I'm actually so hyped. I've already got a student and he's loving it. He's getting so much value, so make sure to check that out. Don't miss that opportunity before the spaces fill up, basically. But apart from that, I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Saturday. I'll see you Monday for the forecast. I will see you tomorrow for the Zero to Funded next episode, which is going to be a big one. So stay tuned for that. But stay safe, happy trading, and I'll catch you guys later.